This is really exciting. Your successful closing calls will bring you great joy and big money. It's time to prepare your mind for top performance and enjoyment. Let's start by taking a deep breath. Slow, full inhale, and a slow, complete exhale. Feel your body relaxing. Again, inhale, drawing in healthy, empowering breaths. Feel your mind growing peaceful, refocusing, and exhale. Feeling all doubt and negativity slipping away. Inhale again, feeling positive, confident, strong energy. And exhale, ready to face all exciting challenges. As you keep breathing deeply now, feel your body sinking back into relaxation. Count back from 10 now, and with each number, you let go more. Your muscles grow more loose and free. 10, 9, 8. Your body feels so relaxed and wonderful. 7, 6, 5. Letting go of all your worldly worries. 4, 3. A sense of peace flows through your whole body. 2, 1. Your mind sinks deeper and deeper into a warm, peaceful place. You feel totally relaxed now, and at the same time, totally alive. You feel totally alive every time you make a closing call. You know that closing calls lead to wealth. Wealth brings great freedom and the chance to share and spread joy to the important people all around you. Knowing that closing calls bring you all this, you're always excited to make them. You are vibrant, electric. Your smile and your warm energy carry right over the telephone. You are on the same team as your seller or buyer. You're both working to solve their house challenge. You know many wonderful programs, smart strategies, and new exciting solutions to help them. For most people, it is very stressful to sell or buy a home. The process is confusing and difficult. You make it clear and easy for your sellers and buyers. You find many people who need your help, and they are so grateful you found them. They trust you and gladly work with you. You help them conquer the challenge of selling or buying a home. They thank you over and over. They tell their families and friends about everything you did for them. For years to come, they bless the day they met you. When any of their friends or family members face a house challenge, they refer them to you. Of course, sometimes people are skeptical and have their defenses up. That's the way of the world, and you accept that. Your knowledge, your confidence, and your true desire to help people give you the power to overcome those defenses. Some people will still not really understand what you're offering, or it's not the right timing for them. That's fine. As soon as you hang up the phone, you let it go. You just say, next. You relieve people of a house they don't want anymore. You relieve them of their mortgage debt. You take away their worries, their headaches, and their heartaches. Or you provide your buyers with a beautiful place to live. You empower them to move on with their lives. Their life and the lives of their family members will be so much better because of you. You are here and now for a reason. You are dialing the phone right now for a reason. Your words flow easily. You build rapport. You build trust. You explain everything clearly. You close deals. And you are massively rewarded with big money, the satisfaction of helping others, and growing confidence and self-respect. Because of your special knowledge, your precious time, and your concern for others, you deserve every dollar of every huge check you receive. Great wealth flows to you when you help others with their health challenges. Your wealth provides you with many new and exciting life choices. It helps you create the lifestyle of your dreams for both yourself and your family. Now you remember that great journeys take time. You have patience with others, but most of all, you have patience with yourself. You stay focused, you don't lose sight of your goals, and you strive always for their achievement. Humans are truly amazing creations. We are all capable of greatness. You are an amazing creation. You have the power within you to accomplish truly great things. You have at your fingertips a proven system to create wealth. You devote yourself to it. Most of all, you believe. You believe in your goals and you make them a reality. And above all else, you believe in yourself. Armed with this belief, you conquer all obstacles in your path. You live your dream lifestyle and you help others every day. You are blessed with a truly joyful and special life. Challenges are what make life exciting and fun. So you face them head on. You go get them. You dial that phone.